This is beautiful.
We'll come back and give you correction. Yeah.
Agumacha Waterfall was discovered in the year 1869 by our forefathers through hunting. We only know about Bliss Falls. The real name of the falls is called Agumacha.
You see, I told you.
We only know about Agumacha. The word is not Agumacha. It's Agomacha. You see the pronunciation, the white people change the pronunciation. The word is allow me to flow, Ago. The way we knock, Ago. Agomacha, or let me flow, that's the meaning. Now they change the pronunciation, Agumacha. That's it. So you take note of that, okay? Then nobody knows, maybe it may become a tourist attraction during this period. So they were worshipping it as their gods. And they were having a taboo day which fall in every 5 days in a week. They call that day Agletogbe. When you are notorious and you step there, in those days maybe something may happen with you. But since it became a well-known in 1973, there was a Game and Wildlife department at the sanctuary here who were preserving the area. And it was then when the tourists started visiting the Blue Waterfall. And there was a great celebration in the community during that day. Blue Agumacha Waterfall springing from behind that mountain. We have our third community, which is called Blitoji. We call this mountain Asogloto, We call it Asogloto. And then behind it, about 19 kilometers away, is springing from there. And then moving to the upper falls with the pool. And then after some 100 years, it followed down to the lower again. So the same fall have two pools, lower and upper. And the top there is just like a valley. So it's moving down, then falling at the upper falls. Then from the upper and then falling at the lower. So on the way you can call my attention. It's 45 minutes walk.
Oh, okay.
45 in, 45 down.
Okay.
It's PK the
And then on the way, that's the river from Togo.
No.
Yeah, we call that river River Nubui. This particular one, yeah. It's separate river from the Vli Falls.
Oh, okay.
So it's now that we are going to cross the Vli Falls.
Nana Kemiti, Sako to Sa, Odo to Bata.
Vli Falls is 8 times crossing. Addition to this, making 9.
Okay.
So we are crossing 9 streams after we get there.
Okay.
And then in the forest, there's no wild animals over there.
Okay.
We only have antelopes, bats, and then so many types, species of butterflies.
You know what? In this life, people are gonna let you down. People are not gonna believe in your dreams. If only you can believe. Majesty Callus, Canala Percy.
You can be everything you want. You can do anything you want. You can be everything you see. If only you believe. Well,
just amazing. You know, I'm amazed because it's my first time of seeing a waterfall like this. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. And this is right here in Ghana. I was born in Ghana, but I've never been here. Good to explore. Oh, come on. No, I don't know how to swim. Oh, come on. No. What is this place?
You know this place?
No, come on. It's my first time here.
This is Waterfall.
Believe?
Yes.
Believe.
Believe.
Wow. What is the height of this waterfall?
That's 80 meters tall. It's the tallest and highest waterfall in Ghana and West.
Wow. And I've lived in Ghana all my life and I never knew something like this existing here. This is beautiful. Wow.
It's surrounded by mountains and then it's 4 kilometers away from the mountains.
It's deep.
It's deep on this side.
But that side is cool. So you are swimming now?
Yes.
No, man, I don't want to try this. So
Let's go.
Hey, no. I got 6 bucks, man. Hey, no, but I need to try this, man.
Yes,
I need to try this experience. But my microphone. Oh, I want to show you guys my 6 bucks. Hey, I am an African representative, man. But anyway, let me try it out. I gotta enter, man. Just for the experience, man. Are you sure you're answering this?
Let's go. Remove your shoes.
Yeah, you know what? I cannot enter with this my microphone, man. Oh my God. Let me see. I have a way. No.
What are you doing? No.
Oh my God, man. Get closer?
No, I think
Let's get closer. Come on.
it's very, very cold.
Very cool. But if you make it enter this water, you don't want to get closer.
Oh,
Okay. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's a beautiful experience. Trust me. Why are you not telling them that Ghana is beautiful?
come to Ghana, come to West Africa, come to Africa, come and experience the beautiful things we have in the Volta region of Ghana.
You just don't experience the beautiful things in Volta region, but you can also experience the beautiful Ghanaian women. Her name is Quintili, and you can also go to her YouTube channel, go check it out, go subscribe, go support her. It's all about Ghana to the world.